Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about how to disconnect Wi-Fi network in our Realme phone. Guys, you want to disconnect your Wi-Fi network in your Realme phone. So friends, how can you disconnect in this video friends? I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So when first of all open your phone setting to disconnect your Wi-Fi network. Friends, we will on our phone setting, and guys you can see this type of setting, and guys, first one setting as you can see guys your Wi-Fi setting guys tap here. So once you can see guys we have connected guys this Mukesh Wi-Fi, and we want to disconnect this network. So when how can we disconnect? So you can see right side is icon guys tap here, and guys you can see this type of setting. So you can see guys you remove this network guys tap here to disconnect. So this network will remove, and guys we cannot use it as you want to use. So you will have to connect again. So like that guys you can disconnect your Wi-Fi network in your Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching.